Hey everyone, if you want to create a website without spending weeks coding and designing everything from scratch, Bolt AI Website Builder can help you build and launch sites much faster. In this video, I'll show you how to use Bolt AI Website Builder from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Bolt AI website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create an account and access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, create a new project and choose the website building option. This will open the AI-powered workspace where you can generate and customize your site. Next, describe the website you want to create. For example, you might request a business website, portfolio, online store, blog, agency site, landing page, or personal brand website. Once you're satisfied with the final result, use the available deployment or publishing tools to put the website online. After publishing, review the live version and make any final adjustments if needed. For the best results, use detailed prompts, build the website step by step, and review all AI-generated content before making it public. And that's how to use Bolt AI Website Builder in 2026. With AI-powered design and development tools, Bolt AI makes website creation faster and more accessible for beginners and professionals alike. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.